Welcome back to Yellow Art Health, the space where we turn simple foods into powerful nourishment for your body, your mind, and your day. Today's video is for anyone who's ever stared at a bag of frozen veggies and felt uninspired. Maybe they came out too soggy, too bland, or just didn't look appetizing. You're not alone, and you're definitely not stuck. Frozen vegetables are actually one of the smartest, most affordable ways to keep healthy food on hand. But the trick is knowing how to bring out their best flavor, texture, and presentation, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you. From roasting techniques that unlock sweetness, to seasoning tips that bring bold, fresh flavor, to chef secrets that make your plate look just as good as it tastes, I've got simple solutions you can start using today. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or just trying to eat better without wasting time or money, this video is going to help you turn frozen basics into beautiful, nourish.